Hello everyone, my name is Dagny Paskach and I am a graduate student at Iowa State University studying educational technology and a graduate research assistant with Iowa 4-H. This year, I'm developing robotics challenges for you each month. By working on these challenges, you will gain a greater understanding of engineering and technology through robotics, as well as learn about some real-world connections to the field of robotics technology. Would you ever consider dining out at a restaurant where a robot makes your food? Creator, a robotic restaurant in San Francisco, has a robot that cooks and assembles hamburgers. Thanks to this robot, all their burgers are freshly made to order, with fewer people handling the ingredients before the customer receives their food, which makes it a cleaner process. Additionally, the robot takes up less space, which means the restaurant owners don't need to spend as much money on rent and can instead invest in better ingredients for their burgers and higher salaries for their employees. With Thanksgiving coming up this month, your challenge is to design, build, program, test, and share a robot that can cook, prepare, or transport a meal. If you're new to robotics, you could make a delivery robot that can bring a snack on a plate from you to a friend. If you have some robotics experience, you could make a food preparation robot that can perform a repetitive action, such as chopping or whisking, to help you cook a meal. If you have lots of robotic experience, you could make a robotic vending machine that dispenses the food of your choice. I suggest making a plan to start out with. So, what do you want your robot to be able to do? What materials will you use to build it? You can check out the challenge guide for more ideas on how to get started. Here's the banana chopping robot I built using LEGO Mindstorm's EV3. I wanted my robot to be able to cut the banana up into pieces so I could put it on my toast. With that in mind, I attached a knife to the front of the robot using masking tape and LEGO rubber bands. It took some experimenting to figure out which method of attaching it to the robot would work the best. I programmed the robot to move the knife up and down repeatedly using a loop, rotating a little bit each time so it would cut a new piece of the banana. Let's try it out. My banana chopping robot is pretty basic. In fact, I didn't make too many modifications from the instruction book for the LEGO EV3. I know you all will come up with even more creative solutions to this month's challenge. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Have fun.